Let's talk about some tips on how to find recipes. One resource that I like to use is My Plate Kitchen. If I go onto my web browser, I'll type in My Plate Kitchen. And My Plate Kitchen has a ton of recipes. I'll want to refine my search to get something more specific for what I'm looking for. So I can refine my search in different ways. For this example, let's say I'm looking for a vegetable snack type of recipe that would be good for the Latin American or Hispanic population. I'll click on course. And I'll check off snacks. I'll scroll down to where it says food groups and then check off where it says vegetables. I'll scroll down to where it says cuisine and then check off Latin American / Hispanic. So by refining my search, I have now 6 different recipes. And of course, if you want to, you could refine the search even more based on the other things that are listed here, such as program, cooking equipment. Let's say I decide I want to go ahead with the pea guacamole recipe. And now there's a lot of useful information here that can go onto my recipe card as well as some of it on my flyer. So on my flyer, I'll want to include the ingredients list so that in case any centers or participants want to cook along with me at the time of the demo, they'll know what ingredients I'm using. On the recipe card, I'll also include the ingredients list, the directions, as well as the number of servings. One thing that's also useful about using recipes from My Plate Kitchen is that you can use the image on your recipe card and on your flyer. If you do find recipes from other websites, just be careful to see if the images for the recipes are copyright free. Another thing that I like about My Plate Kitchen is that there is a nutrition facts label for the recipe. So let's say I take a screenshot of this nutrition facts label, I can then add that onto my recipe card. So My Plate Kitchen is one resource that you can use in order to find recipes for your cooking demos that are simple, easy, low cost, and tasty.